aloha guys, welcome back to another episode of Hawaii 100 Highest. I didn't shoot an episode for a while, but today I'm actually gonna hike 3 different peaks in one day, so it's gonna be more like a peakbagging adventure out here on the west side. I have a couple of friends with me, so looking forward for a fun day. It's getting really hot actually, but it's still okay. So today's plan, we are going up the first peak called Kea'au middle, and then we have a nice rocky section to cross to Ohikilolo peak. That's a big one, over 3,000 feet. And then we're gonna continue and go to this not as well known high peak, doesn't even have a name, called Peak 2800, which is right between Three Corners and Mount Kala. And then we're gonna descend on a spur ridge somewhere down to the valley. So yeah, looks like an exciting day. Totally forgot what kind of elevation we have in here. Alex will explain why this is his favorite trail. Right on, man. Tell me.
So, scrambling in views, that's it. It's just the scrambling in the views at the top.
Oh man,
the scrambling is amazing. It's pretty awesome. You can go fast or you can go slow. Gives you good ass cardio, good cardio, yeah, ass kicking cardio.
All right, so if you want a good scramble, kick ass cardio, listen to Alex. If not, do something else. All right, there are plenty of goats around. I guess they are all up there. I guess it's time to climb up there. Alright, just made it up to Kea'au middle, just barely under 3,000 feet of elevation. And yeah, it was pretty much a good cardio coming up here. I totally forgot how steep is it. I was sweating like nuts, so hopefully from here it's gonna be a little bit less steep. But we're gonna continue with the guys to Ohikilolo peak and then cross over all the way there, and somewhere we drop down. this crossover is pretty fun. It's a lot of rock scrambling just to get to Ohikilolo. So we just did this crossing on the from Kea'au middle. This was really fun, but the sun is out again. So we are kind of burning up here. Ooh, I feel like I'm training for Marathon de Sable. It's so dry and hot. Feels like you are in the desert in here. Woo! Welcome to this high elevation bedroom, open air, beautiful views. Just look around. It's pretty amazing to do your thing in here, yeah? Going up Ohikilolo is basically you just follow the fence line all the way up. Made it to Ohikilolo Peak. It's an amazing views out here. So if you ever encounter something like this, yeah, don't really trust it and be really careful, don't mess it up. The views are pretty awesome beside the fence, but I guess it keeps the goats and the pigs out from eating native vegetation. My God, we're almost at 3 corners, but the wind just stopped. It's the snow breeze, super hot. Whew. And actually this fence climbing gets a little bit tiring. You just like hold on to the fence, go down, hold on to the fence, go up. Oh, well, almost there. That sucked. How long was that? 3 hours almost.
Yeah, about
2.5
like
hours.
at least 2.5, yeah. In the heat.
How about you, Paul? How many times you did this?
2 times.
Sucks, yeah?
Yeah. Yep.
Okay, Stacy, first time.
First time. It's awesome. I would highly recommend it.
She's lying. This was hot, up and down, but still worth it, I guess. Just maybe not again, ever. Okay, we just made it up to peak 2800. This is the 3rd Hawaii 100 highest peaks today. This peak is not really exciting. You cannot even really tell that you are on top of the peak. It's all overgrown. If you look around, everything is just overgrown here. But and behind you can see already Kea'au. So just another 1/4 mile, and then we're planning to find a nice little spur ridge to get out. made it down on this spur ridge. It's an old spur ridge, and we made it back to the valley here in the west side, and we are heading out. This is a long day today, and it was hot. It was a lot of fence climbing. It was a lot of variety, but maybe not the best route to hit those peaks. I just prefer go to Ohikilolo and make a loop out of it. I think it's much more enjoyable. The section between Ohikilolo and Three Corners, it's just a lot of up and down in a crumbly, desertish looking, fenced up mountainside. So yeah, well, that's it for today. We're almost out. See you guys next time.